how to fix Discord mobile notifications. So if you want to fix your Discord mobile notifications, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your Discord. Now, after logging into your Discord, you need to go with the server in which you are facing the problem. Tap on the server name. And once you tap on it, you'll have notifications. Tap on notifications and make sure that you allow all of the notifications. Turn on all of the notifications that you see right here. After turning on all of these notifications, your problem might be fixed. Make sure it says all messages instead of something like only app mentions. You can also customize other settings on this page based on what alerts you actually want. Now, if that still doesn't fix your problem or your issue, then you can go ahead and tap on your profile icon, which will be on the bottom right, and press the gear icon, which will be on the top right of your screen. Now scroll down just a little bit and you'll find a notifications option. Once you find the notification, you need to tap on it and make sure the in-app notification section that get notifications within Discord is ticked on. Another thing that you need to fix is the get notifications outside of Discord. You need to tap on that and it will take you to the app info section. Here you need to go with app permissions and make sure that you allow the permissions. After allow your permissions, your problem would be fixed. That's how you can fix Discord mobile notifications. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.